This is the trucking cost per mile and load profit dashboard. It is a single web page that shows you what each mile really costs you to run, whether a load is worth taking, and who still owes you money. You open it right in your browser, type in your own numbers, and it does the math. Let me give you a quick tour. Every time you open it, you land on the dashboard. Across the top are your headline numbers, and below them your profit trend, your true cost per mile, and the loads you are still waiting to get paid for. In this sample, net delivered is $10,900 at a 22% margin. Your average rate is $288 a mile against a cost of $139, and you have about $4,900 in pay still outstanding. These all update from the numbers you enter. Down here is the number most owner-operators never nail down, your all-in cost per mile. 93 cents of variable cost plus 46 cents of fixed cost comes to $1.39 a mile. That is the rate every load has to beat. The cost per mile setter is the heart of the tool. You enter your real fixed and variable costs one time, and it works out the break-even rate you need to beat on every single load. On the left go your fixed monthly costs, the truck payment, insurance, permits, your phone, and dispatch. On the right go the variable ones, diesel price, your miles per gallon, tires, maintenance, and tolls. Your fixed costs here add up to a monthly nut of $3,880. And here's the payoff. Variable cost of 93 cents, fixed cost of 46 cents, for an all-in cost of $1.39 per loaded mile. Anything below that loses you money. Anything above it is profit. When a broker calls with a load, the load evaluator tells you in seconds whether it is worth it. You type in the offer, and it compares the rate against your own cost per mile. Here is a Los Angeles to Denver run. $2,750 line haul plus a $430 fuel surcharge, 1,015 loaded miles with 40 miles of deadhead. After your running costs, the net comes to $2,239. And the verdict is clear. This load pays $3.01 a mile against your cost of $139, so it clears $1.62 over what it costs you to run. The tool says accept it and book it. As you run, the trip log keeps a simple record of every load, the broker, the lane, the rate, the miles, and the net you cleared. Over time, it shows you which lanes and which brokers actually pay. And the Settlements tab tracks the money still coming to you, so you can see at a glance which invoices are unpaid, which are overdue, and exactly how much is outstanding. And that is the whole dashboard. Set your costs once, check every load before you book it, and always know your true cost per mile. It is a one-time purchase with lifetime updates. It runs in any browser with no login and no install, and you will find it on Etsy from the link in the description. Drive safe, and keep those numbers in the black.